Ano to? Ito may ano na tayo. Meron tayong reservation na ticket. Pagkakalam ko, kuha lang yata tayo ng ticket dito. Natin na. Paano kaya dito?
At the lakes as well, and they can take you between the lakes and back up here later on.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, you're Lake Louise. How many?
7.
7? Yeah.
Thank you.
Tapos pagdating doon, sakay ulit ng...
Sasakay ulit ng shuttle.
Okay.
Yes, boss. Hey! Yun, no? Hey! Shout out naman dyan. Yun, no? Hey! Oy, guys, magandang hapon sa inyo. Yan. Ayan, doon tayo. Lalakad tayo doon. Doon, no? Yan.
Gusto mo dali yung tubig?
Ito susunod natin ngayon, yung Lake Louise tsaka Lake Moraine, no? Actually, yun nga, kaya nasabi ko sa inyo nakapag-ano tayo. Nakapag-reserve na tayo guys ng ticket natin, which is 1 o'clock ng ngayon, 1 o'clock hanggang alas 2. So kailangan lang nating dumating doon on time. So doon tayo mag-register. So nakakuha na tayo ng ticket galing kila Ma'am Gladys. So maraming salamat. So dami tao ngayon, baby.
Ayun na, nahihina
So
naman si
ma-experience
ate.
natin ng ang summer ng Lake Louise at Lake Moraine kasi nga hindi nga namin napuntahan to noon nung summer. Ano tayo? Halika na. Tara. Hindi tayo.
Pag na-late, may next bus naman, di ba?
Ay, hindi ko alam. Hindi natin alam kung ano.
Kasi meron kang...
Meron tayong meron tayong pangalawang Ayan. Welcome back, Lake Louise. Ito. Tara ito. Hey. Kami magsisiyar muna guys at so yun guys, so magpapaano muna tayo dito. Yan. Tanong muna tayo, mag-inquire muna tayo kasi di natin alam kung paano to. Ito may na tayo. Meron tayong reservation na ticket. Ano natin? Hi. We have a reservation for 1 o'clock.
Yeah, so you need to go outside into the parking lot.
Uh-huh.
The green hut is parked outside.
Okay, so we'll go directly there.
You've got to go there again.
Okay, thank you.
No worries.
O yun, so diretso na tayo guys dun sa dun na, pre! Dun sa mismong bus na, no? Ano sila, pre? Tingnan mo muna natin. Nandun sila, Nick. Di ba sila iye? Di ba sila iye? Ha? Pre, iye muna kayo. Ito. Iye muna. Andun sila. Eh, so diretso na tayo dun. Mamaya, may pipila tayo dyan, no? Pila na tayo kaya? Asan sila? Pipila na ako, ha? Pipila na ako rito. Para baka mahuli tayo. Ito. Eh no, yun yung pilo. Shuttle tickets available. Pwede pala rito. Lake Shuttle. Baka dito, check-in. Ito. Ito, reservation holder. Yeah. Pagkakalam ko, kuha lang yata tayo ng ticket dito. Natin na. Paano kaya dito?
See you soon.
Ay, that is the previous one. Sorry.
Oh yeah, right.
Yeah, this
just waiting for it to go through.
No
Yeah.
worries, no worries.
That's the better one. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's the one I've already scanned, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, I need the next one. So if you in any time after the time you booked, you can go whenever on that schedule.
Oh, really?
The time is just the time that you need to be here to check in, but it's just to reduce everyone turning up at one time. So as soon as you check in and get your ticket, you can go whenever.
Okay.
Alright, let me scan that last one
Catch
for
up
you.
to us here.
Yes, and you can go to Moraine afterwards, just using this ticket, okay?
Okay.
The bus to Lake Louise is behind us, to your left-hand side. Okay, look for the big white buses at the lakes as well, and they can take you between the lakes and back up here later on.
Just think
Okay. Thank you.
Oh, sorry.
Okay na. So, pwede na tayo sumakay dyan.
Saan na?
Ayun o. Kahit saan. O, kahit saan. Oh, kahit saan. Pwede dyan.
Saan muna tayo?
Lake Louise.
Moraine sila.
Ah, Lake Louise. Sorry.
Hindi, pagdating doon.
Mamaya tayo, mamaya.
Or what color? Yeah, your Lake Louise. How many?
7.
7? Yeah.
Thank you.
Tapos pagdating doon, sakay ulit ng...
Sasakay ulit ng shuttle.
Oh, you
Ayun ang pagkakalam ko, pre. Super stay naman. Pero ano yan, Lake Louise, saka ano, Lake Moran yung nasa ticket natin.
Pagdating doon,
Yes, yes, boss. Yes, boss.
Pagdating doon.
Hey! Ayun o. Opa. Yes. Ayan. Hey. Yun o. Ah! Lake Louise muna tayo. Ayun o. Wala kang partner. Jumel? Wala kang partner? Wala kang partner dyan?
Put it inside your backpack, and on your way out, just try to use the handles for 3-point contact, and enjoy riding.
Ayos ah. Ayos yung mga pang-aeroplano yung ano, pang-aeroplano yung boses nun ah. Ang piloto ba? Okay, let's go.
Atin mga classmates.
Ano?
Dito na po ba yung location natin mga classmates?
Anak na, okay. Yan o.
Tayo sa classroom.
Papababa na tayo ng shuttle. Uy. Thank you. Yun o. Hey! Shout out naman dyan. Yun o. Hey! Tayo. Anong firm mo to? Ah. Daming tao ngayon.